Okay, good evening, guys. Today is June 24th, and right now I am going to mail another certified letter to the Supreme Court. And as you see, I highlighted the envelope right here, and it's in yellow highlighter, and it says possible emergency national security fraud. So this going to the Supreme Court, and I got one going to William Barr, and then I got another one going to Donald Trump there. So in this letter, what I specifically is stating to this letter on June the 24th, I'm going to read it to you guys, and also I'm going to post it on the Facebook. As you guys can see, I have the notice of fraudulent documents pending in your court in highlight. And then I got it addressed, certified mail again on the 24th. And it says, from Sharon Bridgewater, on behalf of my son, James Shannon Bridgewater, 2 witnesses injured and harmed by United States government racketeering and scheme to defraud Sharon Bridgewater and or James Bridgewater, 2 witnesses and victims of U.S. government racketeering. See one or more cases, C10-00703, extorting money from poor public housing tenants, and 42 dismissed cases. And then they got regarding U.S. Court of Appeals case for D.C. Circuit case number 191411, fraudulent forged identity theft court documents that I, Sharon Bridgewater, nor my son, James Shannon Bridgewater, filed or submitted to your court, to the United States Courts of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit in this case, and in an attempt to obtain $100 trillion judgment or more by one or more of the Rothschilds, the Mafia, U.S. Court federal judges acting in joint participation in a scheme to defraud my son and I out of money and property without due process of law. And then it says, see Exhibit A. Okay, this is Exhibit A, and this is telling them that I did not file these documents in this court, which it also states, as you guys can see, it says Sharon Bridgewater versus Donald Trump, ETAL. ETAL means other defendants, and I'm assuming that means that 500 or something defendants that they dismissed in that other court, in one of the courts. But at any rate, this document says that it was filed on July 5th, 2019. So they're getting ready to rule, which it'll be 1 year coming up right before the 4th, 2020. So at any rate, guys, also I am going to put on the website how William Gill dismissed this criminal case against me last year at about the same time. And so I'm going to put that on another video. But at any rate, all of these are around the 4th of July, Independence Day or whatever, and I got a lot to go over from that. But at any rate, guys, this document, it says that on July 9th, entry of appearance filed by Abby C. Wright and co-counsel Thomas Putnam on behalf of respondents William Barr and Donald Trump. And then it got Abby Wright, and then it got Thomas Putnam. They appeared on behalf of Donald Trump and William Barr, and that's fraud. I never received any of these documents. I never filed anything in this case. And then they got first class mail. And then on the other side, on the other page over here, I specifically want to show you guys this, where it says that the clerk's order file directing party to file initial submission, petitioner docketing statements due, and then it go on to say, as you guys can see what it say right there, okay? Then it got all these procedural motions, appearance motions, depositive motions due by the respondent. But then it got the petitioner, which would be me. It got statement of issues due 8/8, petitioner underlined, decision due 8/8/219, petitioner deferred, appendix statement due 8/8/219, petitioner procedural motions due. All of this is fraud, guys. I never filed anything in this case. And they know it is. Donald Trump, William Barr, the U.S. Attorney General, the Mafia, all of them know this is. They trying to get $100 trillion. And I'm telling you, trust me, I am not lying to you. And so, as you guys can see, but anyway, okay, and then I'm going on. So, this is what this is. I wrote to the Supreme Court regarding which I just said here, and then I put any and all rulings that pertain to one or more D, A, C, A, H-1B work, visas, abortions, etc. Anything that is pertaining in your court, conceal or seal, entitled Sharon Bridgewater and James Bridgewater versus Donald Trump and William Barr, via stolen, converted, forged, identity theft court documents, and your upcoming ruling in July and forever via $100 trillion or more, any and all Admiralty maritime claims, any claims via stimulus checks, wire fraud, concealed, stolen, forged documents pending in your court. And then it got the case 1914114 and any other Admiralties and maritime claims. And then you guys can see what it say. But I'm going to put this online. And then they put, this court received a notice of dismissal via certified overnight mail. See attachment A. I said that wrong, guys. Let me see. Man, these people. Okay, that's attachment A. But so this, no, I said it right. It say, see attachment B. So I sent them a notice of dismissal, which here is attachment B. And they got it right here because I got a receipt sign right here from the Supreme Court. Y'all see that? So, a notice of dismissal. They did receive it. And then it put Sharon and James Bridgewater claimants or plaintiffs versus Donald Trump. And then, I put this online, guys, and I'm going to put it online again, a notice of dismissal. So they did receive, and then we dismiss all claims, especially fraudulent, fake, forged documents. And then it goes on, okay. And then it goes on to say this right here, if you can see that, about the 42 dismissed cases. And then I put as Exhibit C, and then here go the 42 dismissed cases. But pretty much what it's saying, I did not file a writ of ceremonial. Y'all do not have jurisdiction to hear nothing. So here's the cases that all the dismissed cases, guys. These are all dismissed cases. You can see them on the PACER website, the Public Court Access website. And I am going to put this online. So basically what this says, it's a lot. I wrote a 4-page letter, but basically what it says is you don't have jurisdictions because it's fraud, and you did receive my letter of dismissal, and I did not file any of this stuff. And if you do, right here it says you are now part of a racketeering, influence, and corrupt organization, bribery, section 201. And witness tampering, 18, section 1512, scheme to defraud Sharon and James. And then, I'm going to put this online, guys. And then it got, my signature. So what I'm going to do is trying to mail this again to them. certified to make sure they got all of this. And guys, man, I'm telling you, I'm going through so much stress with these doggone crooked people, but like I said, God got my back, and then there's a lot more I gotta do. So here's the certified mail, so I'm finna go certified to the Supreme Court justices. I'm certified, and then I'm gonna put this on mine. So at any rate, let me go in here and certified, and then I'm telling you that the government is a doggone terrorist group, man. They've been terrorizing me for years. And then you guys saying, well, what do case C-110? I've been filing lawsuits since then, and they've been terrorizing me since then for over like 15 years. And I got all of this approval, and I do plan to put it on the website. But so anyway, I'm finna certify this right now. So this is what I just want to regular mail that.
Okay.
And then this I want to certify.
Okay. I'll let you take care of that. I'll get these taken care of for you, bro.
Yeah. So here I just want you guys to see me put this in the envelope with one hand, lady again. And then again, so you guys see this national emergency. Possible national emergency.
First class? Because priority mail is going to be like $8.
No, sweetie, just send that regular.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm putting this in here. So see, I got it on one hand in this so y'all can see that I am mailing this. So y'all can see that I'm putting this in this envelope and mailing it. Certified. Okay. So they can't say, we didn't get it. Or, so I have proof that I'm mailing this to the Supreme Court justice. Okay. I'm just trying to. Do you
We'll put
got
some tape on there.
Yeah. Okay, so you can put some tape on there. Thank you. So here is this right here. Okay. And then here, let me see this. So I got both of these that he's gonna put on there. So then I got my return name right there. Okay.
Okay. Give me 1 second, because I want to make sure I'm doing it correctly.
Yeah, the green go on the back.
This one does or that one?
That one.
That
Yeah.
one? Okay. So yeah, that one goes on the back. They have all for information, where it's going, where it's going to get sent. Yeah. Okay. So then we just do certified mail. Continue.
How you doing?
There. Well, so I think that's fine. I think it's definitely.
I was like, hold on, where'd that come from? I don't remember getting them. I think this is the receipt, and this is the receipt this I need it.
Yeah. Okay. Does it need tape?
Probably.
Give me 1 sec.
Mm-hmm.
And that.
Yep, that's just right. That's
Then
how
that
it
goes back to you, right?
Yeah, and then you gotta stamp it. You gotta put a stamp on it.
It's the right of the nope, right. See what's your current address? Okay.
Yep.
15th, we need to change that to 24th.
Perfect.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
And
And then I just need to pay you guys.
yep. Sorry, I haven't done certified in so long, so it's a good refresher.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so 550.
Okay. All right, thank you. And that's mine right
You want the receipt for the
Yeah.
here?
here. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. All right. All right, guys, check him out.